Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are diving into the English language with a great word. Our word of the day is ceiling, a B1 level noun meaning the top inside part of a room. The ceiling is what you see above you when you are inside a building. It's the upper surface of a room. For example, you might say, "The light is hanging from the ceiling." Let's explore some words that are similar to ceiling. We call them synonyms. We could use roof in some contexts, although it usually refers to the exterior, like in the sentence, "The house has a new roof." Or we could use top, as in, "The top of the room was painted white." These words have similar but slightly different meanings. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. Antonyms for ceiling would include floor, as in, "The ball rolled on the floor," or ground, as in, "The ground was wet after the rain." So, the ceiling is up high and the floor or ground is down low. We use the word ceiling in many everyday situations. You might hear someone say, "I have to fix the ceiling light," or "The ceiling fan helps cool the room." You could say, "I painted the ceiling yesterday," or "The design on the ceiling was impressive." Here's some more examples in sentences and phrases. The height of the ceiling was enormous. We stared at the cracks in the ceiling. He was looking at the ceiling while thinking. The ceiling in this old house is very high. That brings us to the end of this episode. To recap, ceiling is the top inside part of a room. We looked at synonyms like roof and top and antonyms like floor and ground. We talked about how we use ceiling in daily life. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. I hope you found today's word interesting. If you are enjoying the podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps other English language learners find the show. And finally, please create your own sentence about ceiling and share it as a comment under the video.